All right, let's have a look at the menu bar here. We have view, where you can enable or disable what you can see on the screen. So as I told you earlier, we have two gadgets here for yaw and gimbal, and you can show or hide them. You can show or hide the toolbox, as I told you earlier. You can show or hide the grid. And you can swap the color. If you have a powerful GPU, you can enable anti-aliasing, so you have straighter and smoother lines. I close the RGB. But again, it's make it heavy computationally, so if you don't have a strong GPU, it's better to just disable it. All right, in the following, we will have a look at other menu.